Hey, KRISSTALK, fuckers.
KRISSTALK represent.
What's up?
You're so classy.
You don't even do single shot. No, I want to feel the recoil. When I shot the first time, well, it's a little different. It's a little bit different. I've never shot suppressed before. Oh, wait. You shoot one at suppressed. Hold on.
One more.
I've shot my KRISS a lot. I can tell.
I mean, look.
Good shooting. Thank you so much.
Yep. Good skills here. Catmostfeared, KRISSTALK, full auto. I'm going for 140.
Oh, the sights might be off. Is your sight on?
No, it's not.
Yeah, just use the irons. Shoot the carbine next.
Want to try the other gun? I never shot the carbine. I have PR. It's a pretty cool gun.
I would say it's a nice gun for hunting. That's what I have.
What?
The carbine.
Yep.
I use it for matches, for USPSA shooting.
Alright, go 2-round burst. There you go. That's the good one.
Yeah, the burst is the most fun.
Pull it back and hold it. That's 2 shots.
That's 2 shots.
The next one will go. Yeah, that's nice. No out there at the distance, or?
Okay, go full auto.
Lean into it a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta lean in.
Who's up? I think I got it. All right, man. Go all right. Okay. I've never shot a full auto like that.
Yeah, it's quite a kick.
Real quick. You got to hold it down a little bit. You got semi, 2-round burst, and full auto. And you're gone.
How many? About 2 round bursts and then finish off the magazine. Wait, I'll give you. So to load it, just insert the magazine, hit the bolt release.
Right?
How many rounds is that?
25.
25 rounds, just like that.
In a second.
Talking about the important to understand because of liquefaction. Right now it's on semi. Look what happens when I'm hanging the fire. You'll be ready to go. What's the gun? Now, what happens? Just move back. Doesn't jump at all. So when you're shooting 1500 rounds per minute, the gun's doing a lot of pushing. Doesn't jump. Going up because you're losing balance. Okay? It's like going up. But I need the gun to push me this way, but it's on target. Okay? So if I'm shooting full auto, I'm reading the gun, doesn't move. I have 70 kilo with a code 71. It's all about getting it done. Have all the magazines in 25. So, put it right in here. A little more. Now that's inside more. Right here? Like that.
Lean forward. You gotta lean more forward.
Like you're gonna push the gun forward. Look up the fire selector, our safety. I'm assuming you want to shoot the submachine gun, right? Okay. Let me go through the mechanics of it real quick. That ain't working. Safety, fire. Is that not working? Semi, 2 round burst. We're leaving it.
Just use the iron sights.
Insert the magazine, bolt release, and go.
Battery's dead. You gotta shoot the carbine.
Full auto mode.
Weird.
Oh yeah, good shooting.
Ah.
Good. The rest of the show.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.